Hey, welcome back to Joyce Michelle. I am her, Joyce Michelle. I should say Joyce Michelle Official. But we have a package from Amazon, and I have told you all over and over and over, I'm opening the package. I've told y'all over and over and over about this smell good, and usually one bottle lasts me maybe, I want to say maybe 6 months, but I got tired of running out, so I ordered 2. So here it is. I told y'all we're gonna be doing hauls over here in this little nook. So this is the Abbey and Sullivan Fresh Laundry. And the first time I purchased this was actually out of Marshall's years ago. And they weren't showing up in Marshall's anymore. So I looked up Abbey and Sullivan, and so I started purchasing it off of, who is them people? Off of Amazon. So I got 2 of them this time. Y'all, I had to make sure it still smelled because the packaging looks a little different. But I got 2 of them, so I probably won't have to buy another one for the rest of the year. But I ain't gonna swear to that because I don't know. Now that I got 2 of them, now here's what I do. My bed linens, I wash my bed linens once a week. And I spray this on my actual naked mattress. Y'all seen me make up my bed before, so just refer back to that. But I tried another bottle from I think I got it from Marshall's, another one. I wasn't feeling it, so I was like, girl, you need to just go ahead and order this. And I think together it was like these 2 were $23. But if I were y'all, get in on this. I'm telling you, when you spray this on your sheets, your pillows, pillowcases, your linen on your bed, you will sleep heavenly. It smells absolutely wonderful. And it will be linked in my LTK and my Shop My.